Hi, hello, and welcome back for another video. In today's video, we're going to do a 6-minute leg burn workout. So in less than 6 minutes, I'm going to have you work every single muscle in your leg so that you feel everything in a very short amount of time. No excuses, you can do this workout and it's not going to interfere with your schedule. So let's get started. If we're just meeting, my name is Alina and I. I'm a certified personal trainer and I use YouTube, Instagram, and TikTok to help beginners with their fitness journey so that they can look and feel their best. So in today's video, I'm going to go through a 6-minute workout with you where you're going to work every muscle in your legs really quickly. If you're feeling up to it, you can definitely repeat this workout for 2-3 rounds and you'll definitely get a longer, more challenging workout. But for those of us who only have 6 minutes to work out, this workout is going to be perfect. So without further ado, we're going to jump right into the workout. I'm going to demonstrate the exercises before we actually start them instead of doing all the demos in the beginning because this is a shorter video and I want to get you in and out as fast as possible. So pay attention and we'll get through the 6 minutes really quickly and you'll feel really great afterwards. Oh, and before I forget, the format of this workout is going to be 30 seconds on and 30 seconds off. So we'll do each move for 30 seconds, rest for 30 seconds where we'll just go over the next exercise. And that's how we're going to do the entire workout. And for more workouts, for more tutorials, for more fitness advice, tips, and all of that, definitely make sure you like and subscribe this video and follow me on Instagram at CoachAlina_ or on TikTok at CoachAlina. All right, now for real, let's get started. All right, full disclosure, I had to take my mic off during the workout because it's too many wires. So just listen closely so that you can hear the directions. Again, we're doing the 6-minute workout and the first exercise, well, the first 2 exercises are going to be the same. It's going to be a kick back and a side kick. And we're going to do our left leg first, and then the second exercise will be the same thing, but on our right side. So what that looks like is we're going to kick back, bring the leg back. Don't touch the ground if you can. Hold on to something for balance. Side kick back, and side kick. Just like that for the full 30 seconds. And the second move will just be that on our other side. So I'm gonna start the timer and we're gonna get started. All right, we have 5 seconds. Again, I'm gonna start on my left side. I recommend you do 2 so that we can keep up together. So, side kick and kick back. So this exercise works your glutes really well because you're getting the side angle, the glute like medius and minimus, and then when you kick back, you get the bigger muscle, which is the glute maximus. And I just like doing it all at once because I'm always in a rush. I always want to get my workout in really quickly. And this is a really great way to get more muscles working. We're done for a short amount of time. Now we're gonna do the other side. So I'm gonna just flip over. If you have a chair, a sofa, a child, a plant, I don't care. You can use that to lean against. Or if your balance is really good, then you can just do it without leaning against anything. So you can do it like this. It will definitely be slower though because you're going to have to keep your balance up. But I'm gonna lean against this counter for today. I'm feeling a little off balance, so next leg. I'm not doing it in this video, but if you have any type of resistance band, you can keep that above your knee, and that'll actually make this even more challenging. But if you're a beginner, you're just getting started, then don't worry about it. Almost there. All right, now, just making sure. Our next move is going to be 4 squats to 4 frog stomps. So what we're gonna do is 4 squats, and then in the squat position, we're gonna stomp like this 4 times. Do the squat 4 times, and then stomp 4 times. The great thing about that is your muscles stay engaged the entire time. So, 1, 4, and now 4 stomps. You might only get 2 or 3 rounds of this in, which is totally fine. 5 more seconds, go all the way to the end. That was more challenging than I thought. The next exercise is a body weight deadlift. So you're gonna bring one leg out, hands on your hips, bend, so you feel a stretch in the hamstring, and then switch. Keep your foot pointed up so that you really feel that stretch and activate that hamstring, which is this muscle right here. During this exercise, I really like to make sure that I'm keeping my core really tight. I definitely love this one. Okay, one more. Amazing. We have only 2 more exercises left. Alright, I just need to make sure I'm doing it right. So the next movement is a glute bridge. Okay, we're gonna just lie on the ground. I do this all the time on my channel, but legs shoulder width apart, squeeze up, lift your hips, and use your heels to push up. So this part of your foot. And we're gonna get started. When you come up, hold it for 1 second, squeeze, and then come down so you're not rushing through the movement. This is a really, really great basic exercise that's safe for all your joints, for your back, but that challenges your glutes really well. One more. The next exercise will be standing up, and we're going to do a reverse lunge. So again, for balance, you can hold on to something, or you can just put your hands on your hips, step back, lunge, and come back. Because of my mat, my knee sometimes touches it, but try and keep your knee off the ground when you're going back. And then this is your last exercise, and you're done. Again, you can hold something like your counter, a chair, if you're struggling with your balance. Almost there. And we're done. So that was the entire 6-minute workout. I definitely felt every muscle in my legs activated, and I might actually do that one again. But if that's all you have in you, then definitely feel good that you got your workout in, or try doing it again for a second round and really see how much you can go and how much you can challenge yourself. But thank you so much for watching. For future videos, I upload videos every single week on this channel. Definitely consider liking and subscribing so that I can see you again. But until next time, bye.